Hey guys, Remy here from Remy's Chop Shop. If you're after guard rolling, suspension upgrades or wheel and tyre packages down in Geelong, then be sure to come and see me. I've got a huge array of wheels that we can supply, different suspension products to lift and lower your car. And yeah, I'm just going to be showing you guys a bit of what I do today. I've got a couple Commodores I'm going to be rolling the guards on, won't be filming them, that's nothing special, but I do have a very cool Monaro out there that needs the guards rolled. He's just had it tubbed and put some big wheels on it and it's cutting into the tyres. So yeah, we're going to get him rolled and then that way he can drive it as much as he wants, as low as he wants. Yeah, let's get into it.
We've come a long, long way together, through the hard times and the good. I have to celebrate you, baby. I have to praise you like I should. We've come a long, long way together, through the hard times and the good. I have to celebrate you, baby.